The most important areas that I like to work on, again, I concentrate on the eyes. I like to do maybe Botox around the eye area, do a little bit of a brow lift. We do fillers. We do a whole array of whether we use Radius, Juvederm. We use the various different fillers available, Restylane. The other area that I'm very well known for is the lips. I do a phenomenal job with the lips, and the reason that I focus on that is because that's one of the areas where women definitely, well, women and men definitely show their age. If you see any woman above the age of 30, 35, they're going to start getting the wrinkles around the lip area. And I do both lip rejuvenation and lip augmentation. So the rejuvenation is getting rid of the lines. The augmentation is actually getting them to look a little full. And the product that I use lasts 7 to 10 years, which the patients love, so they don't have to keep coming back for more treatments.
You feel absolutely nothing. But basically the very next day, you can't tell you've had anything done. You've just got nice plump lips.
My lips were thin, and the lipstick traveled up the lip line a lot, the feathering, and I've just always wanted my lips done. I kept having to do collagen on a regular basis. It was very expensive. This was, you did it one time. I was interested in a procedure that would last longer, because if not, you're constantly maintaining what you want, and it's an expense and it's uncomfortable. To do it one time and be done with it was just terrific.
One of the other procedures that we use for the facial rejuvenation is my new machine, the mixed dose CO2 multifractional laser. It's the latest technology in laser resurfacing for the skin. And what it actually does initially, it will tighten the skin. And because it also heats the dermis, it will actually cause progressive collagen growth. So you actually get thickening of the skin and even tighter skin as the months pass, up to 6 months.
I was a little nervous when I did that because I've never done these different procedures. But Dr. Mercedes and them, they were all very encouraging and helpful. They educated me well on the procedure prior, so I would know everything to expect. Came in, they do this under local anesthesia, and you feel nothing. It's not painful at all. I saw the largest results around the jawline because you could see the skin just tightening and coming up, but healthier skin overall.
A lot of my patients will like to do the mixed dose CO2 fractional laser to resurface the skin and get them, with a nice youthful appearance. We'll combine that with the lips and some Radiance as a filler, or Juvederm as a filler, and Botox to take care of the wrinkles on the glabella and the eyes, and do a little bit of a brow lift. That's a nice combination that a lot of the patients like to use.
As I got to know Dr. Mercedes more and I became very comfortable with her, I really trusted her work and feel that she's truly an artist. And I was concerned that I had lines here in my face and just little things, and she suggested Radiance, which really lasts longer than the other product. It was a little more expensive, but it doesn't require as much maintenance. And I was thrilled because my lines here were really getting deeper, and it definitely made a difference.
One of the other things that we do is, when people have problems with their chin area, where they have the double chin, I can also do the lipo on the face area with the Smart Lipo procedure.
When you're getting old, everything is gonna hang, and then you have to pull it up. And she's not really she's not doing a plastic surgery like that, and sometimes you don't want to go through all these things now, maybe later, and that's why she was trying to fix when the problems are not really very difficult. She can fix it, and because it was a little handle, I don't like how I was looking when somebody was watching me, to the side, you were looking, that was handled a little bit, and now she can pull it out. That was the first thing that she did, and and looked very natural. She's a warm person. She is very busy, but she always has time to take care of you.
We do have the aesthetic part that my esthetician does, because you do need more of the maintenance or less invasive, if you will, procedures like the microdermabrasion, which we actually do use a medical grade microdermabrasion machine. We finish it off with oxygen and antioxidants like vitamins A, C, and E. We also have a signature microdermabrasion facial, which Monica devised, and that's her. She's very well known in the area for that.
Well, I do facial. It's an oxygen facial, which you can't get at a spa because they're not allowed to have oxygen. All our products are oxygen-based, which helps with collagen production, and that's really what you want to do. At the doctor's level, our products go down to the dermis where the skin is, the cells are reproduced. That's why we have such great outcome with our patients.
We also do the wands, which is using 8 megahertz of energy to, give a temporary sculpting, lifting of the face. Of course, the endermology machine, it's a French machine that works with cellulite and recontouring the body. Then, of course, if they need a little bit more help, I can also help them with the Vaser and Smart Lipo to do the more advanced forms of liposuction so that it's not so violent on the body. And of course, you can't have a facility like this without hair removal. So I have 2 different machines that work for laser hair removal.
I would tell you that there's nobody else I would go to but Dr. Mercedes. I think she truly looks at your face and thinks what's best for you, and she just does it. It's like something else takes over for her. She is truly incredible, and I would recommend her with no qualms whatsoever.